Welcome to our roundup of the best dry bags of 2026. Essential gear for anyone who wants to keep valuables, extra clothing, electronics, and important items fully protected from water, sand, mud, and dust during outdoor adventures. Whether you're kayaking across open water, rafting down a river, hiking in heavy rain, camping near lakes, heading out on a fishing trip, or spending a full day at the beach, having a dependable dry bag can save you from ruined gear and unnecessary stress. Today's dry bags are built with rugged waterproof materials, welded seams, reinforced stress points, and secure roll-top closures designed to create a tight barrier against moisture. In this guide, we've selected options that stand out for durability, water resistance, smart storage features, comfort, and overall value. Let's break down what makes each one worth considering and which type of outdoor activity it's best suited for. Starting with the Osprey Ultralight Waterproof Dry Sack. This option is ideal for those who prioritize lightweight packing and efficiency. Designed with minimal bulk in mind, it's perfect for backpackers, thru-hikers, and travelers who need dependable waterproof storage without adding unnecessary weight to their load. The streamlined design allows it to slide easily into larger backpacks, helping you organize clothing layers, sleeping gear, or important items that absolutely need to stay dry. The roll-top closure forms a reliable seal against rain and splashes, and its compact structure makes it easy to fold and store when not in use. For anyone focused on smart packing and weight savings, this is a practical and efficient solution. Next is the Wise Owl Outfitters Waterproof Dry Bag, a versatile and durable option built for a wide range of outdoor conditions. Whether you're kayaking, canoeing, boating, rafting, paddleboarding, or even heading to a music festival in unpredictable weather, this bag provides consistent waterproof protection. The heavy-duty material resists tears and abrasions, making it suitable for rough terrain and repeated use. Its roll-top sealing system helps keep water out even during splashes or brief submersion. Available in multiple sizes, it allows you to choose the right capacity for short-day trips or longer excursions. It's a dependable all-around choice for active outdoor lifestyles. The EarthPack Dry Bag with zippered pocket stands out by combining waterproof reliability with improved organization. In addition to its spacious main compartment, it includes a convenient exterior zippered pocket, allowing quick access to smaller essentials such as keys, cards, or compact tools without unrolling the entire bag. This added functionality makes it especially useful during activities where quick access matters. Built with thick, durable materials and reinforced seams, it's designed to handle tough environments while maintaining strong water resistance. It's a great fit for campers, kayakers, and beachgoers who want both protection and convenience in one package. The Unigear Dry Bag with Phone Case adds another layer of practicality by including a waterproof phone pouch. This feature gives you peace of mind when bringing your smartphone near water, allowing you to protect it while still being able to use the touch screen through the clear protective case. Whether you're capturing photos, checking maps, or responding to messages, you can keep your device safe from splashes and moisture. The dry bag itself offers dependable storage for clothing, snacks, and gear, secured by a roll-top closure that helps create a watertight seal. It's a solid option for fishing trips, kayaking adventures, boating outings, and other water-focused activities. At the top of the list is the EarthPack Dry Bag with Phone Case, a well-rounded option that delivers durability, strong waterproof performance, and added versatility. Constructed from rugged, heavy-duty materials, it's built to withstand challenging outdoor conditions and frequent use. The included waterproof phone case enhances its value, providing extra protection for one of your most important devices. The secure roll-top closure system creates a tight seal against water intrusion, and the overall build quality feels sturdy and reliable. For frequent adventurers who spend significant time near water, this model offers long-term confidence and consistent performance. Each of these dry bags serves a slightly different purpose depending on your needs. The Osprey Ultralight Waterproof Dry Sack is excellent for lightweight travel and organized packing. The Wise Owl Outfitters Waterproof Dry Bag offers reliable all-purpose protection for water and outdoor activities. The EarthPack Dry Bag with zippered pocket adds helpful organization for quick-access items. The Unigear Dry Bag with Phone Case focuses on protecting electronics while keeping gear secure. And the EarthPack Dry Bag with Phone Case stands out as a durable, feature-packed option for those who want strong protection and added convenience. That wraps up our list of the best dry bags of 2026. ranging from compact ultralight sacks to heavy-duty dry bags built for serious outdoor use. If you're planning a river adventure, heading out for a camping trip, exploring coastal areas, or simply preparing for unpredictable weather, investing in a reliable dry bag can make your outdoor experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let us know in the comments which dry bag fits your needs and how you plan to use it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more outdoor gear reviews, comparisons, and detailed buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and current deals, and keep your essentials dry, organized, and protected wherever your next adventure takes you.